Okay, fifth graders, we still seem to be having some confusion about our bibliography, so I made you a short video. Remember, your bibliography needs to be on the end of your essay on the next page. Don't put it at the bottom of your essay. It should be on the next page. Okay, you have to excuse my handwriting. I left my stylus at home today. Your bibliography, the word bibliography, should be left justified. All of your entries should also be left justified. Your entries need to be in alphabetical order. Notice here, the first entry doesn't have an author, but the article title starts with an A, so it comes first. The next entry has an author. We start with the author's last name, followed by a comma, and their first name. If they have a middle initial, you can put the middle initial, but if they don't, then just put a period after their first name. We started with an A entry, the next entry starts with a J, the next entry starts with a K. Notice that it is in alphabetical order. Every article title needs to be in quotation marks with a period before the quotation marks. The organization comes next, followed by the date it was accessed. You also need to put the URL for every entry. The URL should begin with a caret and end with a caret and a period. I also want you to notice that every entry, if it goes onto a second or third line, that next line is indented. The first line doesn't get indented, the next lines need to be indented. Okay? Alright, so I've made you a 4-step checklist that you can use to make sure that your bibliography is formatted correctly. So, first thing, bibliography should start on the next page, and it should be the same font size as the rest of the essay. It should also be left justified. If you need help with your formatting, you can use easybib.com as a resource, just like I showed you in class. Alright, the next thing you should check is that every entry is in alphabetical order. The entire URL or web address is included. I should be able to copy your URL and find the exact website that you used. Each line of your entry after the first entry should be indented. So if it goes to a second or third line, the second and third line need to be indented. Alright, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to email me, and good luck with your essays.